Hey guys, welcome to SocialNet. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change your Amazon account password. The Amazon App Store for Android is an app store for the Android operating system operated by Amazon.com. It is the package app store for Amazon's Fire OS operating system, used on all of the Amazon Fire tablets, including the Fire HD products. The Amazon App Store provides official apps for the Fire OS tablets instead of the Google Play App Store used on other devices. So if you have ever created an account for your Amazon, you might know that you have to enter a password and email in order to create it. If you don't remember your Amazon password, or you are worried about your account security, changing or resetting your password is a must. So if you have changed your phone number that you have entered on the Amazon account, or you might have shifted to another country and you do not have access to your old phone number, whatever the reason be, changing your password on Amazon is a very simple and quick process. You can easily update your password if you know what your existing password is. First, go to any browser on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Then go to the search bar and type for Amazon.com. And once you land onto the Amazon page, make sure you log into your account. And once you have logged into your account, then go to your profile icon and tap on it. Here various options will be available. Go to your account section and tap on See All. You need to type in your password if you are prompted. And once you have typed in your password, tap on Sign In button. So once you land onto your account page, scroll down and go to your account settings section and tap onto the Login and Security option. An approval notification will be sent to your mobile number or email address. Go to the notification and verify it. Here, once I approve the device and verify it, I land onto the Login and Security page. In here, you will be able to see other informations like phone number associated with your account along with your password. So go to your password option and tap on. Go to your password option and tap onto the Edit button. Then it takes you to the Change Password page. In here, you need to enter your current password. In the new password box, you type in the new password you want to replace your current password with. Then retype your new password in order to confirm. And once you are done, go to the Save Changes button and tap on it. By doing this, you will have successfully changed your password on your Amazon account. So this was it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.